Yan. Ang sabi ni Kung Marcolita kay Jingo Estrada, ligtas ka na. Oh, yun pala, hindi siya ligtas. Tinawid po dito, oh. Si Senador Jingo Estrada at si Senador Joel Villanueva. Tinawid nitong isang kontraktor na to, na isa sa mga tumatanggap ng easy money galing sa mga kontrata. Diba? 30%, napakadali, oh. Easy money talaga. Bigyan mo lang ng project yung contractor, may 30% ka na. Kung 100 million yung halaga, 30 million. Easy money. Diyan na pupunta sa kanila yung dapat na pambili ng mga materyales para sa proyekto. Kaya nagiging substandard. Flood control, pero hindi kayang kontrolin yung baha. Minsan, ghost flood control pa. Ano masasabi ninyo dito, guys? Panoorin natin. Nakakalula yung mga halaga na kinukurakot ng mga politiko na nakaupo ngayon. Hindi naman lahat, pero madami talaga. Ito, isiniwalat nila. Tama itong ginagawa ng mga kontraktor na isabihin na talaga nila kung sino yung mga kumukubra sa kanila. Kasi sila yung maiipit talaga. Bagos para maipit man sila, sabihin na nila yung totoo, di ba? At least maging state witness sila. Mabawasan yung parusa na pwedeng maibigay sa kanila. Panoorin natin, guys, tong video na to.
Ligtas ka na. Hindi po ito totoo. Si Senator Jinggoy Ejercito Estrada, Senator Joel Villanueva, Yusek Robert Bernardo, at D. Alcantara. Si Senator Jinggoy po ay nagbaba ng 355 million ngayong 2025.
Wow!
Sa mga ilang projects sa Bulacan.
Jackpot? Kaya pala galit dun sa biro.
At ang sabi po ng boss ko dito ay 30% ang commitment dito.
Okay, 30%.
Ang mga projects po na to ay construction of flood mitigating structure with pumping station and floodgate phase 3 sa Hagonoy, Bulacan. Flood control mitigating structure with pumping station and floodgate sa Malolos, Bulacan.
Bulacan na.
Hindi ko na po babasahin lahat to. Isasama ko po to sa aking written statement.
No, mahalaga pong basahin yung buong listahan ng mga proyekto.
Let me repeat it, Your Honor. First, construction of flood mitigating structure with pumping station and floodgate, phase 3, Barangay Mercado, Hagonoy, Bulacan, with an allocation of 60 million pesos. Number 2, construction of flood mitigating structure with pumping station and floodgate at Mambog Creek, phase 3, Malolos City, Bulacan, with an amount of 45 million pesos. Construction of flood mitigating structure with pumping station and floodgate, phase 3, Barangay Iba, Hagonoy, Bulacan, amounting to 60 million pesos. Construction of flood mitigating structure with pumping station at Calero Creek, phase 3, Malolos City, Bulacan, with an amount of 50 million pesos. Construction of flood control structure including pumping station and floodgate, phase 3, Barangay Mayto, Kalumpit, Bulacan, with an amount of 60 million pesos. Construction of flood mitigation structure with pumping station and floodgate at Barangay Santo Rosario Creek, phase 3, Malolos City, Bulacan, with an amount of 40 million pesos. And last, construction of flood mitigation structure including pumping station and floodgate phase 3, Barangay Carillo, Hagonoy, Bulacan, with an amount of 40 million pesos. And all of that with a total of 355 million pesos, Your Honor.
This is supposedly the allocation of which political personality?
Senator Jinggoy Ejercito Estrada po, Your Honor.
Thank you for the clarification. You can proceed with reading the handwritten statement.
Mr. Chair, may I continue?
Let him finish the handwritten statement. Tapos lang po yung handwritten statement ng pagbasa.
Nagbaba po si Senator Jinggoy at ang kanyang SOP dito ay 30%. As per our District Engineer Henry Alcantara. I-deliver ito nung lumabas ang mga item na to sa GAA. Mga driver namin sa DPWH Bulacan First ang nag-deliver sa kausap nila. Si Christian Santiago at saka si Andre Balatbat. Galing din ito sa utos ni D. Alcantara. Noong 2023 naman, ay naglabas ng 600 million si Senator Joel Villanueva at ang SOP nito ay 30% din.
Kanya-kanyang Pinoy na to.
If I'm not mistaken, sorry. Pwede ko sabihin ko po kung anong mga projects to, mga line item din.
Please proceed with disclosing the line items so the nation may able to tie the line item to political personality involved.
First, rehabilitation of flood control structure along Balagtas River, Barangay Manginay, Uwawa, Phase 3, Balagtas Bulacan, with an amount of 75 million pesos. Construction of Bukawe River Flood Mitigation Structure, Station 12, plus 589 to Station 12, plus 739, at Barangay Bambang, Bukawe, Bulacan, with an amount of 75 million pesos. Construction of Bukawe River Flood Mitigation Structure at Station 4 plus 204 to Station 4 plus 354 at Barangay Turo, Bukawe, Bulacan with an amount of 75 million pesos. Construction of Bukawe River Flood Mitigation Structure at Station 3 plus 036 to Station 3 plus 236 at Barangay Kaingin, Bukawe, Bulacan. Construction of this also has an amount of 75 million pesos. Number 5, construction of Bukawe River Flood Mitigation Structure at Station 5 plus 466 to Station 5 plus 667 at Barangay Bunlo, Bukawe, Bulacan, with also an amount of 75 million pesos. Construction of Balagtas River Flood Mitigation Structure at Station 3 plus 533 to Station 3 plus 683 at Barangay Santol, Balagtas, Bulacan, with an amount of 75 million pesos also. Construction of Balagtas River Flood Mitigation Structure at Station 7 plus 654 to Station 7 plus 804 at Barangay Dalig, Balagtas, Bulacan, also with an amount of 75 million pesos. And last is the construction of Balagtas River Flood Mitigation Structure at Station 14 plus 124 to Station 14 to 200 plus 274 at Barangay San Juan, Balagtas, Bulacan, also with an amount of 75 million pesos. And all in all with a total of 600 million pesos.
600 million.
Can you state again for the record the total amount and that this is the projects for which particular political personality?
600 million pesos last 2023 from Senator Joel Villanueva.
Thank you. Please proceed with your handwritten statement.
At ang SOP nito ay 30% din.
Wow.
Binigay din ito nung lumabas sa GAA at i-deliver sa bahay niya sa Bukawe ni D. Alcantara at dating hepe ng aming construction si Engineer JP Mendoza. Si D. Alcantara namin ang masasabing chief implementor. Siya po ang kumakausap sa lahat ng politiko na involved dito. At least 3 po siya sa lahat ng projects na dumadaan sa opisina namin. At pinapasabi pa nga sa amin sa mga kontraktor na kung gusto nyo magkaroon ng maraming project sa susunod, ay magbigay kayo ng additional na 2% sa kanya. Parang finder's fee daw. Si D.E. Henry Alcantara po ang usually nagde-deliver sa mga politiko at kay Yusek Robert Bernardo po. Pasensya na po, ito pa lang po ang aking mga masasabi sa ngayon. Mabigyan lang po ako ng sapat na oras pagkakataon